Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for November 17th, 2025, Part 2. Today's theme is hiking. The Path by Bob Staake. You will walk along a well-worn path that many others have taken before you. Often the path will be easy, flat, and simple. It may take you over gentle grassy hills shaded by towering trees that sway in the breeze. The path might weave through valleys of wildflowers bathed in the warm sunlight. But sometimes it will become bumpy and difficult. It may even be blocked by obstacles that you will need to overcome. It may meander through dark, scary forests, shadowed in mystery and easy to become lost in. The path will zig and zag up steep and challenging hills that appear impossible to climb. Then over violent, raging rivers, both terrifying and dangerous. When the path becomes muddy alongside a pond or through a soggy swamp, walking may be hard, and your journey may slow. And when it leads into a sunless, chilly cave, it may seem as if the path will simply end. It won't. The path will surprise you as it splits into two different directions. How will you know which way to go? You will know. You will know because those two choices are not the only possibilities. You will know because, like all others who have walked the path before you, you too will create your own path. The end. We're going to make a bubble wrap painted tree. And your craft kit includes a fall tree, no leaves on it, and a piece of bubble wrap right here. And what you'll need is some paint. I chose yellow and orange and red. You can put some green in there or some brown or really whatever colors you want. And all you're going to do is you're going to dip gently into the paint, and you're going to put leaves on the tree with the bubble wrap. And you're going to do this with different colors. Until your tree is nice and full of color. You might want to have a paper towel or napkin or something on hand because you'll probably get some on your fingers. This is all you do. You just dip it in. You can put some on the ground too. A little bit of red. Bit of orange in there. And that's all there is to it. There's your tree. How colorful it got. And then you got paint on your hands. You gotta wipe that off. Get my paper towel. But that's all there is to it. It's just a nice, simple little project to do.